Now taking A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 2. Using discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. So now B square 11 square minus 4 AC. A is equal to 15 and C is equal to 2. So 11 11s are 121 minus 4 into 15 60. So 5 4s are 20, remaining 2 4 plus 2 6. 60 into 2 120. 6 2s are 12 and 0. 2 zeros are 0. 6 2s are 12. 120. So 121 minus 120 is 1. Now you can see discriminant is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, nature of the root is equal to real and unequal. Now let us go with question number 2. Here we have x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take A is equal to coefficient of x square is equal to 1 and B is equal to coefficient of x is minus 1 and C is equal to minus 1. Okay, now discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square, that is minus 1 whole square minus 4. A is 1 and C is minus 1. 1 into 1, 1 minus into minus plus 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Now you can see discriminant 5 is greater than 0, that is positive. So therefore the nature of the root is real and unequal. Question number 3. Root 2 t square minus 3t plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Now take A is equal to coefficient of t square is root 2. So root 2 and B is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 and C is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, now discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now B square, B is minus 3 whole square minus 4 A. A is root 2 and C 3 root 2. And now 3 into 3 9 minus 4 3s are 12 and root 2 is equal to 9 minus 12 2s are 24. So 24 minus 9 is 5. Okay, 15. So 24 is greater, minus 15. Discriminant is equal to minus 15. Therefore, it is no real roots. It is because the value is negative. So therefore, it is no real roots. And question number 4. A is equal to coefficient of y square is equal to 9 and B is equal to minus 6 root 2. Coefficient of y is minus 6 root 2 and C is equal to 2. Now write discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC B square. So it is minus 6 root 2 whole square minus 4A, that is 9 and C is 2. 6 into 6, 36 root 2 into root 2, 2. So 36 into, so 6 root 2 into 6 root 2. So 6 into 6, 36 root 2, 2. So 36 into 2, 72. 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 72. Minus 9 4s are 36. 36 into 2, again 36 into 2, 72. and equal. Question number 5. 9a square b square x square minus 24 abcd x plus 16c square d square is equal to 0, and here it is given as a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So now take coefficient of x square is 9a square b square. So a is equal to 9a square b square and c is equal to and b is equal to, now take minus 24 a b c d. Okay, now and c is equal to 16 c square d square. Okay, now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac b square. Here we have minus 24 ab cd whole square minus 4a. A is 9a square b square. C 16 c square d square. The next step 24 into 24. So as it is given as minus 24 abcd square. So 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16. 6 remaining 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 576. So 576 a square b square c square d square. And here 9 4s are 36. 36 into 16. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 21. 1 6 are 6. 1 3s are 3. 6 7 5. 576. So plus into minus minus 576 a square. So here we have a square, b square, c square and d square. Okay, now you can see 576 a square, b square, c square, d square, and again here also we have 576 a square, b square, c square and d square. So hence discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, and now therefore nature of the root is real and equal roots. Hence we got discriminant is equal to 0. The nature of the root is real and equal roots. Question number 2. Find the value of k for which the roots of the following equations are real and equal. And hence it is given as real and equal. It is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now taking a is equal to 5k minus 6 and b is equal to 2k and c is equal to 1. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Alright, b square is nothing but 2k. So 2k whole square minus 4a. A is 5k minus 6 and c is equal to 1 is equal to 0. Now 2 into 2 4 k into k square minus 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20k and plus into minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24. 24 into 1 24 is equal to 0. Now you can see 4k square minus 20k plus 24. We have 4 as common factor. So divide by 4. So it will be k square minus 5 4s are 20 plus 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. Now k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0 is in the factorization form. So taking 6. Now you have to find factors for 6. So that you must get minus 5. So 3 2s are 6. Same sign add. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Okay, now equal to 0. K minus 3 while it comes to the right side it becomes plus 3. So K is equal to 3 and here again K minus 2 is equal to 0. So K is equal to minus 2 while it comes here it becomes plus 2. So K is equal to 2. Therefore K is equal to 3 or 2. Question number 2, kx square plus 6k plus 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. Here taking a is equal to k and b is equal to 6k plus 2 and c is equal to 16. Okay, hence it is given as real and equal. We have to take discriminant as b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now b square is 6k plus 2 whole square minus 4ak and c is 16 is equal to 0. Now 6k plus 2 whole square, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2a, that is 6k, b 2 plus b square, that is 2 square minus 4 into 16. 16 into 4, 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 1 4s are 4, 5, 6, 64. So 64k is equal to 0. And in the next step here you can see 6 into 6, 36k square plus 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24k plus 2 2s are 4 minus 64k is equal to 0. Now 64k and plus 24k. Take the like terms. So if you subtract you get 40k. So 36k square minus 40k plus 4 is equal to 0. Now dividing by 4 because each term has a common factor of 4. 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40, 1 4s are 4. So 9k minus 10k plus 1 is equal to 0. So multiply 1 into 9. 9 taking factors you must get minus 10. If you add or subtract you must get minus 10. So 9 ones are 9. Same sign add. So minus 1 minus 1. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 10. Minus into minus plus. 1 9s are 9. Now write k square first term and the last term as is. In the place of 10k you must write minus 9k minus 1k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now split the term first 2 and last 2. Here you can see 9k common, so 9k. Taking 9k outside the bracket, here we have 1k. So 9k into k, 9k square minus 9k into 1 is 9k. Okay, then here minus 1k, 1 into k minus 1k. So minus into minus it will be plus. So write minus 1. So 1 into k, 1k minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 0. And in the next step, write 9k and minus 1 as one factor. And again k minus 1 is equal to 0 as another factor. Now 9k minus 1 is equal to 0 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. 9k is equal to minus 1 while it comes to the right side it becomes plus 1 and k is equal to 1. Here we have 9 with multiplication. While it comes to the right side it goes for division. So therefore k is equal to 1 by 9. And in the next step, k minus 1 is equal to 0. While it moves to the right side it becomes k minus 1 as k plus 1. Okay, therefore The value of k is equal to 1 by 9 or k is equal to 1. Question number 3. If the roots a minus b whole square x square plus b minus cx plus c minus a is equal to 0 are real and equal, then prove that b, a, c are an arithmetic progression. Now take a is equal to a minus b, the coefficient of x square, and b is equal to b minus c, coefficient of x, and constant c is equal to c minus a. Now it is given as the roots are real and equal. So the roots are real and equal, this discriminant is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substitute the values of a, b and c. So b square is b minus c whole square minus 4a. A is a minus b and c minus a is equal to 0. Okay, and in the next step b minus c whole square, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is b square minus 2ab, b into c. So bc plus c square. Okay, and now minus 4, multiply both the brackets, a into c, ac, a into a, plus into minus minus a square, and b into c, minus b into c, minus bc, minus into minus plus ab is equal to 0. Now b square minus 2bc plus c square, multiply with 4, 4 into ac minus 4ac, minus into minus plus 4a square, minus into minus plus 4bc, minus into plus 4ab is equal to 0. Okay, and the next step, add or subtract the like terms, 2bc and 4bc. Alright, b square minus plus 4bc, subtract minus 2bc, you get plus 2bc plus c square, and now here we have 4ac and 4bc, 4ab as common, 4ac, 4ab, that is 4a is common, so remove minus 4a outside the bracket and write 4ac, and within bracket write c. If you multiply you must get the same thing, that is minus 4a into c minus 4ac, and minus 4a plus b, and now if you multiply plus into minus, minus 4a into b, 4ab. Okay, then plus 4a square is equal to 0. Okay, and now here you can see b square plus 2bc plus c square is nothing but b square plus c square, that is a plus b whole square. Okay, minus 4ac plus b, and here we have 4a square is equal to 0. And in the next step you can take this as b square plus c square. So write b plus c plus minus 2a whole square. Why? Because it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 2 into a, 4a square. Okay, so a square minus b square, a minus b whole square is equal to 0. And now removing the squares, b plus c minus 2a is equal to 0. Okay, now b plus c, take minus 2 to the right side. Minus 2, when it comes to right side, it becomes plus 2. Now split 2a as a plus a. So that you have to prove that b, a and c are an arithmetic progression. So split b plus c. Okay, if you add a and a, it b, when it comes here it becomes minus b. And again here we have a minus a, and hence T2 minus T1, that is term 1, term 2 minus term 1 is equal to term 3 minus term 2. Okay, therefore B, A and C are in arithmetic progression. Question number 4. If A, B are real, then show that the roots of equation A minus bx square minus 6, A plus bx minus 9, A minus b is equal to 0 are real and unequal. So now take A is equal to coefficient of x square, that is A minus b, and b is equal to coefficient of x. So minus 6 within bracket A plus b, and c is equal to minus 9 A minus b. Okay, now hence it is given as real. Write A minus b x square minus 6 A plus b x minus 9 A minus b is equal to 0. So now the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substitute the values of b, a and c. B square, b is minus 6 within bracket a plus b whole square. Okay, minus 4ac, 4ac, a minus b, and c minus 9 a minus b is equal to 0. Now the next step, 6 into 6, 36, minus into minus plus, hence it is given as square. So 36 a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, minus 4, now let us multiply 4 and 9, minus into minus plus, 9 4s are 36, and here a minus b, a minus b. So within bracket a minus b whole square. We have twice. So a minus b whole square. So take 36 common. 36 within bracket a plus b whole square, and then a minus b whole square. See, is actually it is real and unequal. So here it is not proved as equal to 0. So it is not equal to 0. Therefore it is real and unequal. Okay. Question number 5. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab x square minus 2 a square minus bc x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0, and it is given as real and equal, prove that either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So now let us take what value of a. A is equal to coefficient of x square, that is c square minus ab, and b is equal to minus 2 a square minus bc, and c is equal to b square plus b square minus ac, and the discriminant is equal to 0. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square minus 2 a square minus bc square minus 4a, c square minus ab into c, b square minus ac is equal to 0. Okay, and in the next step, minus 2 square, so minus 2 into minus 2 and then multiply AB into B square. A, B square and 1B. So it is cube. So minus into minus plus. So A, so A square B C is equal to 0. And now we have 4 as common. So divide by 4 so that we can remove 4 and write A square minus BC whole square minus 4 C square B square minus AC cube minus AB, and even you can multiply. Okay. After removing 4, we will be having C square minus B AC cube minus AB cube plus A square BC is equal to 0. And in the next step, A square minus BC, that is A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is A square. Okay. A square minus 2AB, 2A B plus B square, that is B square and C square. Okay. And now multiply with this minus to all the terms. Okay. Plus into minus, minus C square B square minus into minus plus AC cube minus into minus plus AB cube and minus into plus minus A square BC is equal to 0. And in the next step, write A to the power of 4 minus 2 A square BC plus B square C square minus C square B square, okay, plus AC cube plus AB minus A square BC is equal to 0. Okay, and in the next step, find out the like terms. Here B square C square plus B square C square minus B square C square. So cancel, and again here we have 2 A square BC. You can see A square BC, but we have 1. So same sign. So 2 plus 1 it is minus 3 A square BC. Okay, and the next step, A to the power of 4. Okay, and then plus AC cube plus AB cube. And now you can find A common. Okay, now take minus 3A square BC is to the right side, so that we can prove that as A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now take A common, so A into A cube, A to the power of 4 and plus C cube plus B cube. If you multiply, you must get A to the power of 4 and A into C cube, AC cube, and A into B cube, B cube is equal to 3A square BC. Okay, and the next step, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3A square BC. Now take this A, here it is a multiplication sign. While it moves to the right side, it goes for division. And in the next step, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to, here we have A to the power of 2 and 1A. To take this A here